Hello and welcome to the BigBasket channel. Kitchen appliances makes our lives so much easier. Without even realizing it, hours of kitchen work gets done in minutes, and with such regular usage, timely cleaning of these appliances becomes very important. So today, let's see a few quick ways to clean our day-to-day kitchen appliances. But before we begin, I have an exciting offer for you. If you want to win groceries from BigBasket, then just answer this simple question. How many appliances did I clean in this video? Write your answer in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the BigBasket channel because that is a must to participate. And now let's begin cleaning. I will start with cleaning the gas stove first, and for that I'll start by boiling some water. For cleaning the burners of the gas stove, soak them in a mixture of dishwashing liquid, hot water, baking soda and vinegar mix for a minimum of 30 minutes or more. Overnight soaking gives even better results. For the stove, I'll make a runny paste of vinegar and baking soda mix and spread it on the stove or on the dirty areas of the stove. This will loosen all the stuck grime very easily. Take a toothbrush with a soft bristle for mild cleaning or an angular brush with a hard bristles for tougher stains and scrub the stove for cleaning. Baking soda and vinegar mix not only helps remove the tough stains but gives ultimate shine to the stainless steel. So if you have a steel stove, baking soda vinegar mix is the best solution for you. I will also scrub the burners with the brush to get rid of any grease and oil and open any blocked pores. Also, wipe the surface with a soft and damp microfiber cloth a couple of times. Also, wash the burner with dishwashing liquid and wipe them dry, and a shining gas stove is ready for your further cooking. The next appliance I'll clean is my air fryer cum oven. I'll take some water in an oven safe bowl. Now I'll add dishwashing liquid and squeeze some lemon juice into the bowl. Run the oven a couple of minutes to form some steam inside the oven. This way the steam remains trapped inside an oven, which helps it lose all the oil and stickiness that form with the continued usage of the oven. Once it cools down a bit, scrub the oven with the same liquid with the help of a scrubber. The cleaning mix will still be warm, which will help in cleaning the surfaces very easily. Again, for tougher stains, I'll use a toothbrush with soft bristles and scrub everything well. The last step is to wipe the surface clean with the microfiber cloth. This same method also applies to the microwave cleaning that we have shared in our DIY kitchen cleaning video, which is linked in the description box below. The lemon leaves a nice smell and the oven feels squeaky clean. The mixer and blender also takes the most blunt in the kitchen. Even after a regular wash, sometimes the food remains stuck near the blade area and it starts giving a foul smell. So, the easiest way to clean a mixer is to add the lemon juice and warm water mix into the jar and add some dishwashing liquid into it. Now, run the blender at the regular cycle for 10 seconds. This high power swirl cleans all the stuck grease in the blending jar. Scrub the blade area with a soft brush and clean the jar with the scrub. And lastly, wipe everything with a clean microfiber cloth. And here you have a clean and odorless mixer that is ready to use again. Another appliance that often gets missed is our toaster. there is a separate crumb plate that comes at the bottom of the toaster. This crumb plate below the toaster gets the dirtiest but can easily be removed and cleaned in a regular wash. Similarly, breadcrumbs get stuck on the side plates of the toaster as well, and to remove that, I use a dry bottle cleaning brush and run it through the toaster. It comes with a bent end that reaches the bottom of the toaster and removes the remaining stuck crumbs. Doing this right after every use prevents toaster from getting very dirty. You can even try with a toothbrush, but it takes a bit extra time. Now just tap the toaster upside down and all the crumbs will fall out. Appliances wires shall also be cleaned from time to time, and for that just take some sanitizer and cotton. Since we cannot wash the wire, applying sanitizer will remove the dirt and oil very easily and the wires will get cleaned without extra effort. Lastly, with regular use, a lime scale is built at the bottom of the kettle. To remove them easily, just add 2 teaspoons vinegar with half a cup water and boil the water in the kettle. Once done, give it a regular wash from inside and kettle gets as clean as new. The last tip is for the stainless steel appliances to bring that sparkling shine back. Use some baby oil in the soft microfiber cloth and rub the surfaces thoroughly. You can even use any odorless oil for this trick. This trick removes any stains from the steel appliances, especially on oven or refrigerators. I hope this video was helpful and will motivate you to clean your kitchen appliances regularly. Do like this video and share your comments below along with the answer to the giveaway question. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the BigBasket channel. And with that note, I'll see you in my next video very soon.